All right, this is the part number for the front light wire harness for the Camaro. So I'm comparing the new purchase custom wire harness with the original. So this is the part number 85054, which fits the standard Camaro. And let's take a look at the wires. All right, for wire comparison, the one on the right is the new one, and the one on the left is my original that I had removed. And as you can see, they do a really good job at laying out the splits and the wiring and the taping. So I'll go over real quick on what's what. So again, this is the front light wire harness. So this runs plug runs from the firewall up the driver's side of the car to the front radiator. So in the very beginning, so we've got our plug that goes into the firewall. And then here is our brake light, that goes into the master cylinder. And then these even have the clip. So here's my clip for the original, and then they even have a new one inserted. So that's really cool that they do that. And then the next one down the line, here we've got the front driver's side side light indicator light here on the new one, and then have another tab here, and then another one there on the new one. So that's great to do that. And then the one that splits off here, this goes to the alternator, and then the temperature gauge, little thermostat. So again, splits off, and it's all taped up on the old one, the original, and then they tape it up to on the new one, all the way up to the alternator, and then for the thermostat. And then further down, we got the first headlight, which is the driver's side headlight here. And then on the new one, here's the driver's side headlight, and then a ground, and then the ground here comes down. And then as you go to the right, so we've got the horn relay, and then what is this? I don't know. Power regulator, power relay. So for the old one, so we've got for the horn relay, so we've got some red wires. So we've got 1, 2, 3 plugs, and then 2 wires that get screwed in. And then here we've got the 1, 2, 3 plugs, and then the red and the black wires that slide in to the horn relay. And then for the other relay, so we've got 4 plugs here, 4 wires, and that plugs into the relay here. And then mine, I have a hood light, which I had to buy separately. Which is the underhood light kit, and that connects to the horn relay for the power, and then comes off the black cable. And then here is a little fuse, and then the wire that goes to the light. So on mine, for the longest time I couldn't figure out what this wire was for. Finally figured it out. My car had a hood light, so I'm putting it back in. So I got a new one. And so from there, then you go down further. This next one is the front grille indicator light, and then you get your horn, and then here's a new one. Here's the horn, and then your indicator light, driver's side. And then further down, let's get these closer together so you can see them. Okay, and again, there's a clip. Okay, and then the clip, and it's even the same. It's not, you know, like that one. They didn't take one of those and just shove it, you know, have it there. They matched it. They did a really good job. So again, another clip, and a clip here, you know, original. So here's the passenger side front light indicator. Even further down, so again, this one here is the new one. Here's the original. So here's our passenger side headlight, the ground, passenger light with the ground. And then here's the power that goes to the right side of the radiator. Same here. And then here's our last side indicator light. There's passenger side. And that's it for this one. So if you plan on buying these restoration wire kits, just make sure you get the right one. There are images online. You can compare yours to the others. So it took them a while to figure out which one to get, but once you get them, you'll be very happy.